Brighton 0, Arsenal 0, and we get one very bungalistic Ghana fan here. Oga Fabian, make you tell us about how he see Arsenal performance for inside this game and how he see the match in general. Oga Fabian, I know say this one not be the result where you do expect after that Ogbonge way we Arsenal they play against Tottenham for last weekend. But tell us how you see this game, Oga Fabian.
First of all, good evening, my brother. As in, after the whole excitement for last weekend, where Arsenal deal with Tottenham very well, everybody expects okay now start-up point for Arsenal be that say as they come into this game now they go take their time, so build on what they don't do last week. Only for us to come this game now, come see say these boys, I don't understand. Maybe not the London Derby ginger been dey their body. You understand? Now you
Yes.
don't come another team. Oh, they play away from home. Now the real test be this. You understand? Now the real test to know how far the progress for the team dey. But sincerely, waiting and see for the match today. Personally, I know they're happy. You understand? You get some players when no, they don't really bring their A game like the way they been bring against Tottenham. Tottenham. I know say they in the past, but if you look that game, the first half, we killed the game in the first half. That kind of thing. But you see the way they play today, you just see that they slow. They don't they move the ball quick. God like say they don't even understand themselves again. You understand? And only one or two players just try. If it was one or two players, the likes of Thomas Partey, you understand, and even Bukayo
Mm.
Saka. Then I don't know. Then Gabriel. If you know, say those people know they on the no money show small today. Brighton, although personally I think that Brighton they're very wasteful for this match, because they
Yeah.
had more than they got enough chances. You understand to win this game. But first, I know they impress at all. I know they impress with they play at all at all.
Because yeah, I agree with you, Oga Fabian. If you check the statistic, you'll see and say Brighton get like 14 shots and Arsenal get only 5 for the game. And then a
Yeah.
shot off target. And the shot on target, Brighton get like 4, Arsenal get only 2 shots on target. You think say Arsenal no attack rich for this match like the way they attack against Tottenham?
When I watch the match, what I see, I notice now. So this let's say the boys that they play with some kind of tension. They're not really
Mm.
they know they free. I know because you don't get some kind of complaints they don't do overtime. Say Ateta they overcoach these boys sometime. Maybe the kind of game plan where they can't go there too they rigid. You know, if you say too they rigid, too they tough, you understand? You just tell her you stay here, you must
Mm.
kind of they know experience that free flowing football we experienced last week, that kind of thing. So they are attacking for one. Even they on point. The transition of the ball, they very poor. Now, wait even they came in with that. If Arsenal if stitch like 2, 3 passes together. You understand? No if you move the ball. This one, you see that kind of one touch. Then their first touch also was very poor. It no even make sense. So I don't know really. I personally, I see my mind is they ponder. Waiting with the thing where really, waiting with the challenge. Where make these boys they don't play
Mm.
like waiting last week. I don't even know what to tell them right now.
All right now, no be like Oga Fabian. Like you talk, it be like say the team they no really express themselves where they no play that flowing football like you talk, that attacking football. But I want to ask you about one part where it be like say in the last games where Arsenal don't play, it be like say now one good part when me I still see from this Arsenal team. Now that Arsenal new back five, Ramsday, Takehiro Tomiyasu, Ben White, Gebre and Kieran Tierney. Since this new back five, when Ateta begin pay them, when be like say all of them come, they fit and everything, Takeru Tomiyasu can join them. Since this back five they played together, they don't concede only one goal. And today the new goalkeeper Aaron Rams they keep another clean sheet. Now what do you see for this Arsenal new look defense? Now what do you see to talk about Fabian?
Personally, I think this defense and our goalkeeper are the strongest part of our team. I know over the years they don't people they big up Arsenal say Arsenal get very good attacking this thing. But from this last transfer market, you go see say this defense what we get now they try. You understand? If you look and say they try, you understand? But
Mm.
today, Tom you don't really get good game. If you look in game, one of the things when they
Yeah.
talk about time, I
Cucurella
think they
worry
wake up.
and well for that place.
Yes, you worry and well. You understand? You dey see say all those one-on-one duels, like the winner, those headers today, winner, that guy really disturb him. You go see and say no get,
Mm.
if you go from the way he's supposed to go from normally to support Saka initially for that first half, if you go.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I don't. If you towards the end of second half, you don't say 10 you can't get tired. I mean I'm letting say maybe that guy 17 minutes now. he go bring Tavares coming because you go see and say then he don't tire. In they fall down, that kind of they feel do what he's supposed to do. But this person
Yeah.
they very strong was Gabriel they solid. Him and Ben White. And Ben White even the other extra pressure because he they go back in former club. You understand? In only one ball when give away for the first half, that kind, one ball and give away. But apart from that, they okay. Then Ramsey does it try. Ramsey does it tell us the reason why he go still keep that number one shirt.
Yes.
Make us if you see, you want to say when safe when Mope do for those sneak and you
Yes.
understand?
Yes.
You see that boy in the trust why he deserve that number one shirt. And for me personally, I feel main they were in the our back five today. They make me proud. But the midfield and our strikers, my brother, I don't understand.
Okay, now no be lie, I got Fabian. Make we enter inside the player rating. Make we start with PM-Emerick Aubameyang. We be like saying I'm the Arsenal captain and I play as top 9 for inside this game. Now, what do you go rate PM-Emerick Aubameyang on a scale of 1 to 10?
In touches for the match, they're very poor. You understand? And I don't really feel him. Even when he get that opportunity in the last third, that ball was supposed to nick him, where this person born and be Duff himself. Just that in clinical nature, I will know for no day. So for this match, I'll give him 4. You understand? I waiting in my mind to give him 4. In the below average for me today.
Okay. All right. Now, what about Emile Smith-Rowe?
Emile Smith-Rowe, another player where I forgive him maybe 5 or 6. But that 2-on-1, that last ball when he get, when he's supposed to put and through to Saka when he put, he pay me. Yes. I need to try for a day. You understand? He pay me. For me, in the below average, I'll just give him 4. You understand? That ball, he's also more clinical. He's also look up. You understand? Don't say he get runner by left hand side. Put that ball through. This Saka for those 1-on-1 with keeper, at least for finishing this thing with a single goal. So I'll still give him 4. Now 4 already in my mind to give him today.
What about Martin Odegaard?
Martin Odegaard, I will give him 5. You understand? For me, that was the average. Those things, those true balls, those connecting plays when they do, do them today. So now 5, I'll give him.
Bukayo Saka.
Saka try. For me, Saka is one of the few positives that will pick up from this game. I just pray that in coming out of the pitch, they injured. Now one of the people where if you say okay, try, in come up for the game, in try, and I will give him 7. In try at least for the game, for the energy and the work rate, coming back, going forward. Our first shot on target, 9 gets him. So in try for me, and one of the few people who try for the match.
Okay, what about Sambi Longa and Thomas Partey? Now, what do you go rate them?
For me, I will give Sambi 5. Sambi was, for me, he does the average. I don't really feel him today. In defensive work, they okay. You understand? To do too much. He does the okay. Now 5, I will give him. Then Partey, I'll give him 6. You understand? In try. For me, Partey saved a lot of balls. You understand? Most of them they average, but these are people who try stand out. Thomas Partey try. A lot of defensive work when you can't do. Then sometimes they make those runs. Try a lot of shot on goal, so that they precise. You understand? So for me, he deserves a 6.
Okay, Kieran Tierney, now what do you go rate down?
Now 5, I will give Tierney today. In defensive work today, not today on points. Then in forward, he did average too. You understand? So he does have bang average for me today. That's Tierney.
What about Gabriel?
Gabriel at 7, I will give him because he may really be a first record with for inside that defense. It not be him. I don't know how this defense for day. So I'll just give him I'll give him a 7.
Ben White, Unko?
Ben White now 5, I will give him more. I don't really see what he really do there. They don't tell us before time. So Ben White na person sabi take ball from the back. But today when you go in former club, you don't feel even carry any ball from back. Now so long balls they play. So now just bang average and fine.
Tomiyasu
said now 5. Now 5 I will give him because now just average game. Today he get poor game. And they tried my best not to give them below 5. The only reason I give Aubameyang even that 4 now because then the captain and I also ginger this player. You understand? So that's why I did like best for Aubameyang. But Tomiyasu now 5 I will give myself.
What about Aaron Ramsdale?
Ramsdale for me try. I'll give him a 7 because of that last ball where he saved. Say he no save that ball. You understand? This game that 1 point of manage carry come up for Brighton. No carry today. So for me, in the try, I didn't know how to command in box. You understand? So I'll give him that 7.
Okay, now we'll go to substitute now. Nicolas Pepe, Alexander Lacazette, and we know say Ainsley Maitland-Niles not to play 90th minute and they put down. Now what you go give them?
Okay, I'll give all of them 5 because I don't really see waiting they can't do when they come in. Initially, Pepe, when he come, there was a lead. There go on small time, we just get one bounce. If like say things won't happen, but that whole ginger just die. Nobody reach better 2 minutes, he die. Lacazette, he come in. I been expecting they go to give him more of ball. Mainly they do that in hold up play. More they spend, when you go hold up, they linking 1 or 2 persons. They no reach do them. So and then Maitland-Niles. So I'll just give all them 5. They don't really do bad. They don't do good. They just the average.
All right, now, Fabian, I want to ask you about one player. I would be like, say, we don't see some Arsenal fans don't talk plenty things about sometimes. They say some of the things when the way they play, sometimes they make too much mistake. Granit Xhaka will not play this game. You think, say, Arsenal miss Granit Xhaka for this midfield today for inside this match?
I must say yes. If you want me personally, I'm very critical about Granit Xhaka. You understand? Because of his mistakes. Because sometimes mistakes they cost Arsenal very, very much. You understand? But if you look to the game, you know, say because Granit no day, Partey no they free to go forward the way he's supposed to go forward. You understand? He can they do more of defensive work. You understand? He can they back more than he's supposed to. If Granit then I go that confidence for Partey to they involved in the forward play, you know, move forward and go day. But you know, I know you go see and say to trust Sambi. And if you watch the match, you know say they rightly not to trust Sambi that much because that's this Sambi that's so young boy they come up. And I don't say I say this Granit Xhaka 3 months injury, go worry Arsenal last. I mean, I dey critical about him, but right now, if like Arsenal fans will go miss him. You understand? Go show say
now we go say they actually they do something inside the team.
Yes, that's the way they do, where they make all those coach. They use them right from the days of Wenger till now. And now this team must go really show, say, that Granny get real parts to play for the club. Because Partey no they free for them. You go see him. He does they do defensive. When he turns small, once they collect ball, you know, if now says Xhaka, you know say if he lose ball, Xhaka in back. But now, you know the two go front. You understand? So you show where we say as Xhaka injured. I don't know what they do. I don't know how Arsenal will take survive. That means a lot of players need to step up. The like of Sambi will need to step up. Maitland-Niles itself will need to step up. You understand? So that they'll feel that shoes.
All right, now, Nobila Oga Fabian, thank you for your time as you take on talk about how you see the game. We hope say after the international break, Arsenal go play better Ogbonge football. We go bring smile, come back to your face. Oga Fabian, you too much. We appreciate